Imagine, not imagine, like realize and understand this fact. This is a reality. This is a person, the Messenger of Allah, salawatullahi wa salamuhu alayhi. This is a person whose every statement, every action, every gesture, every remark, every motion, every posture, every situation, every position, every circumstance, and is recorded, carefully scrutinized. At every junction, every moment is being recorded. The companions are looking at everything, whether he's got 16 white hairs, or is it 16, or is it 23, or and how his eyebrow is, and how he blinks, and everything. When he's speaking first thing in the morning, when he's speaking last thing at night, whether he's speaking and talking or doing something whilst he's hungry, whilst he's thirsty, whilst he's eating food, whether he's in a sad state and he actually said, one of the companions said that, can we write, O Messenger of Allah? He said, yes, write. فَإِنِّي لَا يَخْرُجُ مِنْهُ إِلَّا حَقٌّ. Nothing except the truth comes out from this mouth.